Hello everyone, welcome to Spider Academy. In this video, we will move further into the chart menu and explore the upcoming modules. So quickly let's get started. We will go to the chart menu and move our cursor onto the intraday open interest chart. Here we will click on one of the submenus. This window will open. Intraday open interest chart. Here we can see derivative trading price and OI footsteps on one single screen. Let's see how. In order to plot derivative chart, we will click on NSE derivative. This window will pop up. Here currently we'll see the NSE future chart and current expiry we'll select. Click OK. This is how the data will appear. Let's maximize this. Firstly, we will see on the left side, here we have OI and price footsteps with timestamps. Now let's see on the right side. Here I can see these vertical bars are footsteps of open interest, and this line is the price, NSE future price. Like you can see in this area where the OI has significantly dropped and price has increased. This signifies short covering in futures during this particular period. Now let's understand these checkbox at the top. If I uncheck this, this will hide the data on the left side. Similarly, if I uncheck OI data in color, this will hide the red and white background. If I want to change the open interest in lots or quantity, we can check or uncheck this particular. Currently it is selected, so the OI data we are looking at is in lots. If I want to see this in absolute quantity, I will uncheck this, so it will tell me the exact number of open contracts, not the lots. And the next checkbox, change from previous day. If I click here, this will show open interest change from the previous day. How much OI has increased or decreased in comparison with the previous day OI. Now let's plot any call option or put option here. Let's choose 24,400 call. Let's click here. Okay. Now you can see the same thing. Similarly, the OI is this and price is this. Here we can observe price and open interest behavior on one single screen. If I want to switch within the recently opened contracts, I can click on this drop down menu and select the one I want to see. Similarly, we can open the same for MCX also. We will select gold, future, the expiry we want, and click OK. This will be applicable for the people who are subscribed for MCX also. So this is how we can see open interest along with the price for MCX also. This line is the price and the vertical bars are open interest. You can also see today's open interest summary Here in this area where it shows previous day open interest, today's highest OI, and the today's lowest OI. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep trading. Thank you.